All right. My hair look nasty. Please excuse my hair. Hi guys, and welcome to today's video.
I'm Amira, if you don't remember me from like the last
you don't
video
remember.
from like months ago.
From like a million months ago.
And the skincare one that went up. I don't even know if it's gonna be before or after this, but
I think it's gonna be after this video. So the skincare video is probably gonna go after this video.
Okay.
But yeah, if you don't know, this is my sister Amira. Yeah, so in today's video, we basically did our makeup and we got ready because we're going to my best friend's house for Christmas dinner, even though they don't celebrate Christmas, but we're still gonna go over there, have fun, and get some food, so, and look cute.
Basically.
But yeah, so we did our makeup. You wanna come see? You wanna see? But yeah, if you're interested in how we got these looks, how we got this highlight popping, how we did all these things.
Does PP still have that?
Huh?
You're gonna have to cut it. I'm sorry. I just
The
PP still have that light on.
That's alright.
Okay.
Yeah, if you're interested in all that stuff we just said, you should probably keep watching. You should probably subscribe. That's what you should probably do. You should probably like this video. And I think that's all I have to say. Did I say my hair was ugly? Yeah, I don't know my hair is ugly. I'm sorry, I ain't pressed it yet. Okay. But that's it. So yeah, if you look at that stuff, we'll just get straight into the video. Yeah, bye.
Bye.
I've already started like filling in my brows because like I take forever. So
I'm gonna put on primer. I use the Maybelline Baby Skin, and for eye primer, I'm gonna put on the NYX High Definition Eyeshadow Base. Looks super white on my skin, but like I'm putting makeup over it, so it's okay.
Yeah. If you guys are wondering, I'm using my ColourPop brow pencil in dark brown, and then I'm just gonna fill it in with some eyeshadow because, yeah, I want a strong brow today.
Me too. My eyebrows are about to look popping as hell. I'm gonna warm up my brow on the back of my hand first.
I'm gonna look very ethnic. Cause like, bro, when I put on like dark brows, like yesterday when I had on like dark brows and like natural makeup, I look real ethnic.
You really do.
And like, I like that.
Right.
My eyebrows are okay. I think my eyebrows are a little too dark right now.
You're so wild.
It's fine.
What was I
Everything's
gonna do?
fine.
Oh yeah, first to do my foundation, I'm backwards than her.
Yeah, I do brows and then eyes.
Using Fit Me. We're gonna see if this is my actual skin tone because I literally never can find it. But like this one's 334. Before I had 235, which is too dark for me.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I started bringing my concealer out this way because like it looks patchy when I do my eyeshadow. Like it looks like you can see how abruptly it stops, and I don't like that.
Okay, let's see if I can blend this together and make myself not look like a hooligan. In cos class, they're always like, you can't do the eyeshadow before the foundation. I'm like, okay.
Who said that?
So like, I mean like, it's not professional. So when we go to State Board,
you can't do your eyeshadow before foundation?
they're not supposed to. Like when we go to State Board, we can't do that. And when we do our makeup demo,
So it's not professional?
like apparently not.
What's the cleanest way to do your makeup?
Apparently you're supposed to put on all this shit and then have a powder puff on the back of your hand and go like this. And then
Well, no, you can, but like for example, like when you're putting like your finger on somebody's, like, you know, when you're blending, you want to put powder there so your fingers can put in your skin, which makes sense. But like you can still do eyes first and still use the powder.
No, I know that, but like, and everybody in my class knows that. But like, they're like, no, you can't do that.
Kids, we're gonna take the 350M and we're gonna jump into this brown shade and this brown shade. Because mom was like, go for like a brown and gold, but I still want to throw some red in my crease because
our mom gives us tips because she knows color. She knows how to compliment colors. So she's good at that.
I don't know how she knows this stuff. She doesn't even wear makeup.
Literally.
My mom has never worn makeup, but she's just like, you should do that. And then like, I don't know, it works, yeah. Right word.
I'm using Glossier stretch concealer in, what the hell is this called? Dark. In dark.
No comment. No comment, Glossier. We don't know.
This is literally the color of like the back of my hand, maybe. This is not dark. It's too light for my under eyes, literally.
Dark, you guys.
Jackie, I know would be shook.
Is this a hot jam?
Yeah,
Sounds
to
like
me it is.
Oh wow.
And for my brow product, I am using Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Granite. I'm gonna take a little bit out of it. And I'm gonna put it on my inner wrist and warm it up real warm.
Oh, really quick, if anybody knows like drugstore brow products that have the similar shade to, what's that, Granite?
Granite, yeah.
And Dip Brow, please let us know because like whenever I'm trying to find stuff, I'm throwing some orange into the crease. I never feel right without some super warm crap in my crease. But
I've had this for like 3 years.
Yeah, but yeah, if you
Never
can
runs
find
out.
something in the grocery that has the same shade as the granite and dip brow, let me know, because I can never find brow products dark enough for my brows. Like, even my brows still, but like I could go darker than this. Like, I need darker brow products. All right, time for my lid color. Now, you guys, today's lid color, I have lid color that I was gonna put on, but honestly, I think I'm gonna change it. But first thing I'm gonna do is put on a liquid eyeshadow first, so we have a nice base for our powder. I'm really like proud of myself that I can like do this now. Cause like before, I would never be able to do this like something so precise as this.
God bless.
Like I would never be able to do this like freehand. Who are these cars that keep pulling up my block?
They want to say hello.
Do I
Oh wait,
know
it's
you?
Christmas. People are visiting people.
Oh, Karen, get off my block. I didn't ask for you here.
Do
like,
powder colors mix like foundation colors?
What do you mean?
Like, is this one mixed?
Yeah.
Oh, word.
I'm dipping into this shade right. Oh, sorry guys. This shade from the 350S palette is right there, and I'm gonna wet it for maximum pigmentation as per usual.
I'm using a fan brush for my contour because I'm extra, and I'm gonna blend it out with a very I'm gonna blend it out with a contour brush for some parts of my face and a smaller contour brush for other parts of my face.
Why are bad things happening to me on the days I'm trying to look pretty?
Just don't stress and you'll be okay.
I'm like, I was like, this is gonna be the touch that makes it look beautiful, and like, it's like creasing, it's applying patchy. I'm like, I used to wear it all the time. I never have problems with these eyeshadows. Like,
okay, guys, so for in the midst of her crisis,
oh my god,
I am using the Lorac Matte Pro palette. I'm gonna use corduroy and chocolate for my contour.
Maybe there's too many things in my eyes.
These two over here.
Okay, now I gotta take it off. Look at that.
Yeah,
I gotta take it off.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Because you already know what you did so far, so you don't have to like swatch and you can
no,
do it.
I know my process. I just don't like. I don't know what I did to make that happen.
I'm using this one and this one also to deepen up the outer V. I'm not gonna bring it like onto my lid. It's just gonna be the V.
We're basically wearing the same thing.
Just about, bitch.
But like it's gonna look totally different. But yeah, we're changing the whole game plan anyway. I'm taking this gold bronzy shade from the top of the jacket. This shade that I'm always wearing, that shade. We're gonna take her and we're just gonna pop her onto the lid. Okay. Yeah, it's very smoky.
Thanks. That's the look today.
Yeah, I think people are like, oh, I don't like it. It's so smoky. I'm like, that was the point.
I mean, not everything's supposed to be super fucking sharp.
Exactly. Or like people like don't like dark makeup. I'm like, they're like, it's too dark. I'm like, that was the point of this look. Like, or they're like, oh, you look like more goth. I'm like, I just wanted to wear dark makeup.
Word.
Like, is it that deep, fam?
It's really not. Okay, I just picked up some black and like almost ruined my makeup, but I'm gonna smudge it away some so I don't ruin my makeup.
I just put some shimmer in my bake, so I mean, you know, we're struggling out here clearly. Like,
You're wild.
I know. Alright, so we're taking 2 pumps of this Lumi primer, and it's gonna make you look all glowy, and it's gonna give you a white cast, but don't be scared because it's gonna go away, I swear. Like, when I match to my actual skin, it looks ashy, even though it's my actual skin color.
Yeah.
It looks like I'm putting on foundation that's too light for me, so.
Yeah.
Well, that and also my skin looks lighter because of the primer that I have on. So my face looks like white right now.
I don't even match the face. I always match to my chest.
Yeah, I matched to my neck because like the discoloration on my neck is so bad, so like I can't. Cause my neck is so darker than everything else. So like if I put light foundation on top of it, it looks crazy. And like you see all that like darkness, like those rings of darkness I have down there.
No,
yeah,
mine too.
that's what I'm trying to like get rid of. Not get rid of, like I'm trying to cover that up. So like yes, I put foundation all the way down here. Okay. I'm putting on like 4 concealers, so don't judge me. Don't judge me. I like a certain look.
You just stripped some somewhere? Okay, did you?
No, I'm good, I'm good. So yeah, I'm putting on medium honey because that's my usual highlight shade, right? Medium honey is what I usually highlight with, right? And then just kind of like, you know, dab that right there, down the nose, Cupid's bow, chin. All right, cool. So now what we're gonna do is actually, what we do is we take the shade Cafe, and we're gonna just.
It's like a super messy highlight though.
Okay, I apply it with a really small brush. They're a little chunky, a little powdery. But like, I don't mind that for the price, you know what I mean? Because they're literally like $5.
I feel you.
Like that pigmentation, like I'll work with that. I'll blend it. Like, oh yeah, I'm putting deep on my neck to get rid of even further discoloration. Because nobody's to clock me
It's a
today.
little chunky for me. Hold on a second. I feel, what is that word?
What?
Attacked.
You feel attacked? So.
Very.
Yeah, so I put deep down there, and then I also put deep on the edges to kind of like help blend a little bit. But this usually was with my summer shades, so I can't put too much right now because I'll look crazy. But look at this contour.
I'm literally putting the lightest amount of blush on, and when I put on blush, I don't just put it on my cheeks. I put it on my nose.
Oh, you know, I found somebody else who does that. I don't remember who it is though.
And I blend it out really good.
I think, who did that? Oh, Nigga Torres put a little hair brush on her nose.
Oh, bless
In her
that
newest
woman.
video, she did a natural makeup challenge because, you know, she doesn't do that.
Yeah.
And like, she put blush on her nose and it was really cute. So I'm taking this cool shade in the Mara Maquillage palette with this fan brush. I've been liking to contour like this a lot recently. So we're just kind of, yeah, look, super wild.
You use a fan brush like me. You blend it out. Yeah.
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 Like, no, this is what I was talking about.
It's really dark though.
But yeah, it's
Whatever
super
the hell
dark.
you're doing.
It's super pigmented and like it's really dark. So like, you gotta be like really careful with this shade because like,
My
it can
chest
screw
looks so light.
It can screw you over really quickly. This shade, like it's made me look really ugly before. So like, be really careful with this.
It looks fine. My face looks super dark on camera, but like.
What, your face? Let me see. Well, no, our chests are just much lighter than our bodies. I'm like,
No, I know, but like my face looks really dark on camera compared to my body. Whatever, I don't
can
care.
you see it in person? Oh no, it does.
Like way darker, right?
Yeah.
I'm shook. God damn it!
No, you look really dark.
Is that bad? Is it bad dark? Because I'm wearing a dress, you know.
Oh shit, then yeah, it's bad. Think about this. So now that all that is done, we're gonna go with our blush. Amira, where's that blush I gave you? The Wet n Wild blush? We're taking Mellow Wine from Wet n Wild. And we're just gonna, these Wet n Wild blushes are so pigmented. So go in, right? You see all that? Tap it off, please. You're gonna hurt yourself. Like, they're so pigmented. Like, just a little bit of it, and like, it's literally everywhere. And then I'm gonna top that with Pearlescent Pink. It's like a, if you know NARS Orgasm, it's like that. It's pink with gold reflex.
Ah! It'll complement it. It'll complement it. I think it'll look cute. I think it'll look cute.
Yeah, let's
Look on the bright side.
let's pretend that's the truth, because this has been
I'm
real
a
rough.
man of 2 feet tall.
Huh? It's a song called On the Bright Side, but not by Never Shout Never.
Oh
I used to
my
listen
God,
to
get
it.
out.
I used to listen to it in 7th grade when I was like super emo.
Bro, get out of my
I know all the lyrics. Hold on.
Literally get out of my Caucasian house. I will not.
Except it's not Caucasian.
I don't care. Get out.
Alright, taking a fan brush, we're gonna go into this Profusion highlight contour. And I'm gonna dab into the shade.
Ooh, the sun
Devoted.
came back.
Hey girl, we've been missing you. I thought it was that damn squirrel. This is very
My stomach hurts so
very
bad.
powdery and chunky. I'm just gonna, you know, did you guys see that?
Stop getting it all over my blanket, bitch.
I'm so sorry.
We're cold till we put on a blanket.
Oh. Okay.
You're living for it.
I think so.
Oh my god, I got highlighter on my eyebrow. Oh my god, shoot me.
Oh my god, that looks really blinding. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is getting out of hand. I'm gonna stroke my forehead. Don't tell anybody. It's too pigmented.
God, I hate you so much.
It's too pigmented. Where's my brush? I'm just gonna like really quick like just.
I was thinking about grandma earlier. We should like call her and just say Merry Christmas and then goodbye.
Yeah.
Alright. We're gonna go and we're gonna use Frankie. It's like a really underrated brand. I don't know if anybody's like heard of it or like I never hear anybody talk about it. But I had their foundation. This is like one of the best foundations I've ever used. It's the Frankie Rose Cosmetics. It is I have F107 Caramel. It's their foundation. I don't know if it's the only foundation they have, but it's in this bottle. It's completely empty because I scraped the hell out of it because it was great. And this is the IS 110 Cabernet. lipstick. You can wrap this shit up.
Alright guys, we're back after like 30 years of intermission, I would say.
I tried on a lash. Oh my god.
A lot of things happened.
I will never wear fake lashes again. I'm putting on mascara now. I'm using
I feel like you would like some natural lashes.
Possibly.
Like just to enhance your real lashes type shit?
Maybe. I might get eyelash extensions.
But those are really pretty.
They are.
Yeah.
I'm using Maybelline the Colossal Volume Express Waterproof Cat Eyes Mascara. It's my favorite mascara. It is gorgeous, and when you cry, it doesn't come off. It's lit.
Word. I have on Ardell Wispies with some Lash Paradise for my mascara, and my brow gel today is Benefit. What is this? Goof Proof? No, Gimme Brow. Benefit Gimme Brow. What have you done?
Fix it.
Okay, so I'm first gonna try on 402 Devil's Matte Red. Even though I know I hate this red, I'm still gonna try it on. And then I'm just gonna top it with this gloss, which is like the most extra gloss I own. This is the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in 72. Classic. I can't read this. I tried, you guys. Yeah. That's the kind of red I like. Yeah. Alright guys, so that is the end of our ridiculously long Get Ready With Us. This is my outfit, but I'm not changing, sorry.
This is my outfit, but there's shoes that go with it. And I have on Mrs. Santa Claus.
We'll do an outfit portion. We'll do an outfit portion after the outfit of the day portion. I've been doing that recently, and like I've really been liking it. So yeah, we'll do an outfit portion after this. If you liked this video, like I said before, like, comment, and subscribe. Because if you made it to the end of this video, I know you're not gonna sit here and not subscribe. If you said this long video and you got to this point, you should already be subscribed. If you're not, what are you doing?
You should subscribe
what are you
to my
waiting for?
ghost YouTube channel that doesn't exist.
I hate you. Yeah, you should subscribe to my channel, and then also all of our social media information will be either at the end of the video after this part or in the description box, the down bar, whatever. It's gonna be
all of our
somewhere.
social media handles.
You're gonna find
everything.
You're gonna find it. You're gonna follow all of them. It's gonna be great. Oh yeah, try that out. It's really nice. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We're gonna go enjoy some dinner and family time, and
photo shoot time.
Have a little photo shoot, and we're gonna be cute. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. If I'm in the next video,
bye.
Bye.